পার্সেল তো।
Wow, flash sale. Let's buy some products.
ডেলিভারি ম্যাম, কত করে?
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Where did the sunscreen go? Sunscreen নেই, ওটা মানে না।
আমার জীবনের আলো, তোমার মুখটা কেন কালো?
Sunscreen নেই। অর্ডার দিয়েছিলাম কিন্তু এসেছে না।
কিন্তু সমস্যা নাই, তুমি তো ফর্সা মানুষের কি আর সানস্ক্রিন লাগে?
কতদিনের বুদ্ধি লাগে? বেগুন, চামচিকা, ইঁদুর কোথাকার?
এটা তো স্ক্রিপ্টে ছিল না। কিন্তু সমস্যা নেই, তুমি চাইলে এখনই দারাজ কাস্টমার কেয়ারে কল দিয়ে তোমার বিজনেসটা খুঁজে নিতে পারো।
That's a nice idea. Okay.
হ্যালো দারাজ থেকে ফারাজ বলছি। আপনাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে পারি?
মানবের ধর্মকতার একটু সময় হবে কি আপনার অভিযোগ লেখার?
ও অভিযোগ হ্যাঁ বলেন।
অর্ডার দিয়েছিলাম 3টা, এসেছে 2টো। Where is my sunscreen?
কি লজ্জা। আচ্ছা আপনার নামটা কি?
নাম দিয়ে কাম কি?
দুঃখিত হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আপনার সানস্ক্রিন আর কি স্ক্রিন ওটি পৌঁছে যাবে আপনার দোকানে।
কিভাবে জানতে পারি আপনার যদি দেন?
অবশ্যই জানতে যাবে। আমাদের দারাজ সার্ভিস ডেলিভারি সিস্টেমে খুব সুন্দর একটি প্রসেস রয়েছে। সেই প্রসেসের মাধ্যমে আপনি আপনার অর্ডারটি সঠিক সময় পেয়ে যেতে পারেন। ধন্যবাদ আপনাকে।
ঠিক আছে, এবার যেন আর ভুল না হয়।
ধন্যবাদ। So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the total process of our Daraz customer care services. So, we have conducted a total complimentary session just for you. What can happen to our customers, but as well as how our Daraz delivery system works, as well as our customer system configures. So, this is our total poster on how our customer can accomplish and produce his desired product via our software system. Within this, at first, customer sees a flash sale on our software, and after that, customer order that specific product or service that he or she wants. And finally, the delivery may take some time, for example 5 minutes or 3 days or even 5 days at best. Furthermore, customer gets excited, just like her, to find the delivery at their own door. If there is some misconduct happened by our own part, we may refund it or provide it with our perfect and desirable products. And finally, you guys will be happier than ever. Moving on to the next part, it will be delivered by one of our teammates, Swapna sir. Thank you.
So this is the entire journey of delivering and receiving and recovering a service. So if you observe, the customer falls into one specific category, and that is a voicer. That means a complaint to the right authority, to the right system. So how can we actually improve the system or analyze the system? So this is the case 1. The customer demanded that they have 2 options, either to refund the product or to reshipp the product. So, if they choose to reshipp the product, how they can improve on their service is by acknowledging the mistake first, then reshipping the product as soon as possible, giving the customer some coins and tokens, and giving them a discount voucher while they again reship the product. In case 2, if they choose to get refunded, first someone is to call them how they want to be refunded, through bKash or cash, whichever option they prefer. Then refund as soon as possible. While they're refunding, again give them some coins and discount codes that they can share with their friends, family, or just use it themselves. So this is how they can improve their service. Now, if Daraz chose another option, for example, if Daraz actually did not make their software very well and app was problematic and the customer was angry, they could have just ranted on social media. If the customer was ranting on social media, we would be dealing with the social In that case, our first job is to acknowledge the mistake again. Then talk to the person directly, ask them politely if they can put the post down, then offer them reshipment or refund. And again, offer them points and deliver on their wishes. That's how Daraz can recover their servers. Now, what if they did not have to recover their servers? Instead, they made it foolproof. To talk about that, I'll invite Ananda.
What if Daraz doesn't make mistake at the first place? So this process is called forcoming. There could be three solutions for Daraz to not to make the mistake in the first place. So the first one, Daraz can take picture before getting rid of the person and show the customer that everything is okay or not. The second one, Daraz can call after 30 minutes of the delivery to ask the customer that everything is fine or not. And the third process is the delivery man can ask at the doorstep that ma'am or sir, do you get all your product in the box? So that is why Daraz can solve the problem at the first place by not doing the mistake.
That solves the missing case of where did the puzzle go. We're doing 5 and representing Daraz.